Hi everybody. In today's class we are going to discuss about connective tissue. Connective tissue. Okay. And the first two tissues that are present in our blood, that are present in our connective tissue, they are blood and lymph. Blood and lymph. These two are fluid connective tissue. Fluid connective tissue. Okay. And why they are known as connective tissue? Because they are present between two tissues and they connect the two tissues. Okay, they connect one tissue to the other. That's why they are known as connective tissue. And in the previous class, we saw that blood connects different cells and tissues. Okay, by carrying digested food, even oxygen, and it supplies to all the cells. And even it in return it collects waste substances from all these cells. Okay, that's why it is known as fluid connective tissue. So those two fluid connective tissues are blood and lymph. Blood and lymph. So here you can see blood cells. Blood cells. Okay, I have separated them into RBC, WBC, and platelets. Okay, RBC, red blood corpuscles, WBC, white blood corpuscles, and platelets. So RBC, red blood cells, are also known as erythrocytes. They are also known as erythrocytes. They are known as erythrocytes. Okay, and WBC, they are also known as leukocytes. Leukocytes. And platelets, they are known as thrombocytes. They are known as thrombocytes. Thrombocytes. Okay, so all these cells, they are suspended in the fluid part known as matrix, or commonly known as plasma. Okay, or commonly known as plasma, the fluid part of the blood is known as what? Plasma. Okay, in other words we can call it as matrix. So in the matrix we see RBC, WBC, and platelets. RBC, WBC, and platelets. And the next that we are going to see is WBC. WBC are divided into granulocytes and agranulocytes. Granulocytes. Okay, see here, granulocytes. Okay, and these are agranulocytes. So granulocytes, they are neutrophil, eosinophil, and basophil. Neutrophil, eosinophil, and basophil. Okay, and agranulocytes, they are lymphocytes and monocytes. Lymphocytes, monocytes. Okay, so here these cells are given their names based on the characteristics of staining. Based on the characteristics of staining. So here neutrophils, when it is stained, okay, it shows neutral pink in color. Neutral pink in color. That's why it is neutrophil. Phil means what? Attracts. Okay, phil means like or attraction. So when it is stained, it is attracting to the acids and base, and it is known as it is colored as neutral pink. Colored as neutral pink. Colored as neutral pink. Okay, and the next one is eosinophil. Eosinophil. Okay, when it is stained, it shows bright red color. It shows bright red color. When it is stained by acid, okay, it shows bright red color. And here you can see this is the cytoplasm of the eosinophil, and this is the nucleus. This is the nucleus. And the next one is basophil. It is basophil. When it is stained, it shows dark blue. It shows dark blue in color. Okay, so it is stained by base. That's why its name basophil. Okay, and the next one is lymphocyte. Lymphocyte. Okay, these cells are from the lymph. These cells are from the lymph. Okay, lymph is a fluid connective tissue. So these lymphocytes are from lymph, and this is monocyte. Monocytes. Okay, they are the largest cells in WBC. They are the largest cells in the WBC. See here, they have the largest cytoplasm and nucleus. Largest cytoplasm and nucleus. And the next one is platelets. And the next one is platelets. So these platelets, they help in blood clotting. They help in blood clotting, and they otherwise platelets are also known as thrombocytes. Thrombocytes. So all these cells are present in the matrix. All these cells are present in the matrix. Otherwise we call it as plasma. Okay. So this is all these cells are present in the plasma of the blood. Plasma of the blood. Okay. So now their functions. Actually, blood cells like RBC, they carry what? Oxygen and even digested food to different parts of our body. Okay. So RBC, they carry what? Oxygen. They carry oxygen from the lungs, and from the oxygen from the lungs to all body cells, and from all body cells they again bring back the carbon dioxide and give and transport it to the lungs. So this is the function of RBC. Okay. Whereas if we talk about the blood, okay, they carry what? Oxygen, even the nutrients, and even the hormones. Okay, hormones to different cells of our body. And WBC, okay, if we see the function of WBC, WBC helps us in fighting germs, okay. And platelets, they help in blood clotting, okay. Okay, so these platelets, they help in blood clotting. Whenever there is a minor injury, okay, minor injury or cut, these platelets are going to, okay, help in blood clotting. They will not let the blood to come out, or the bleeding will not take place. Okay, because platelets are going to form what? Mesh. Okay, and stop the bleeding. Okay, when we see about WBCs means all these cells, granulocytes, agranulocytes. Under granulocytes, neutrophil, eosinophil and basophil. Under agranulocytes, lymphocyte and monocyte. Okay, this all comes under WBC. Okay, so WBC's function is to kill the germs or fight against the pathogens. Okay, so first we saw about the fluid connective tissue known as blood, and the next is lymph, lymph also they have what? Lymph vessels, okay, lymph vessels. Okay, these lymph vessels are, okay, collecting, they are having connection with many cells, okay, and at the center we will see the lymph node. Okay, so this lymph is colorless fluid, and mainly it is having what? WBC cells, okay, known as lymphocytes, okay, and it kills the germs. It kills the germs that are infecting human beings, that are infecting us. So lymph will kill the germs or pathogens. Okay, so these lymph vessels are present more in neck region, armpit, okay, neck region, armpit, and center of the abdomen, and the groin region, okay. These lymph vessels are present more in number. Okay, so these lymph vessels are present more in neck region, armpit, center of abdomen, and even chest region and groin region. Okay, so these vessels are present more in number, Okay, so the lymph system, the lymphatic system consists of tonsils, okay, and adenoids, and thymus. Okay, tonsils, adenoids, and thymus, and spleen, So all these are lymphatic glands. Okay, all these are lymphatic glands. Okay, and the next connective tissue that we are going to see is bone. Okay, bone is another connective tissue. So bone, it provides what? Support. It gives us framework and provides definite shape. Okay, it provides definite shape. Okay, and it is non-flexible. These bones are non-flexible. They are non-flexible. Okay, and bones, they support different organs. Okay, and if we see these bone cells, we call it as osteocytes. These bone cells, okay, they have the matrix. The bone is having what? Matrix. This matrix is made up of calcium and phosphorus. And the osteocytes, known as bone cells, they are embedded in the matrix. They are embedded in the hard and rigid matrix. Okay, so to need healthy bones, we need to take the nutrients which are rich in calcium and phosphorus. So this is another connective tissue. It provides what? Definite shape or framework. Okay, so these bones are joined by another connective tissue. Okay, another connective tissue known as ligament. Okay, ligaments. See here, this is, for example, it is bone. This is example of bone. Okay, these bones are connected by the connective tissue known as ligament. Okay, connective tissues known as ligaments. These ligaments are having little matrix. They have little matrix, and they have great strength. And more flexibility. They have more flexibility. And the next connective tissue. Okay, and the next connective tissue, that is tendons. Okay, so in ligaments, what we show, they connect two bones. They help to join two bones, and they have little matrix, and they have considerable strength. And they have more flexibility. And tendons, what is the function of tendons? They help in connecting muscles to bone. They help in connecting muscles to bone. So this is, for example, tendon. Okay, tendons. They help in connecting muscles to bone. Okay, muscles to bone. So these tendons are having less flexibility. They have less flexibility. They have less flexibility. Okay, tendons, they have less flexibility, and their function is to join muscles to bone. So tendons, what they do? They connect muscles to bone, and ligaments, they connect bone to bone. That means bones are joined by the connective tissue known as ligament, and muscle and bone, it is joined by the help of tendons. And if we see the characteristic of tendons, they are less flexibility and they have great strength. They have great strength. They have great strength. Okay, so today we have learned, okay, 4 connective tissues. Okay, 4 connective tissues. They are first blood, and second is lymph, and the third one is bone. And under bone we studied about ligament and tendons. Okay, so in next class we are going to see some more other connective tissues, with details. Thank you.